This is the park that we're going to here. So, we're going to go up here, heading up that way. All right. We're going up to see some of the sculptures here. It's over there. You can see all the people up there. We're going there as we're going down. We're going to make our way over there. So, okay. Going in the gates here. You can see the sculpture in the gates here. There's different things in there that you can probably see. You can see all the people in the sculpture. We'll get a closer look at that in a little bit here. You can see if we turn up here.
And also wrote down where to place them. But he was here with the mayor of Oslo just before he died, and they looked down to the park, and the mayor asked Vigeland, "Are you satisfied now?" Well, really, I don't like the church tower that you see.
I'm going to go up, take a little closer look at some of these guys here. Sometimes they're a little scary, and you know, I'm not sure what's going on here with some of them. But we go up here. We're going to go up to the top here. We walk up the steps.
בכל מצב הוא ייתן את האהבה שלו, גם אם דורכים עליו, הוא ימשיך לתת מהאהבה שלו ומהשמחה שלו לאחרים. ולעומת אחרים, שאת רואה אותם, תסתכלי, את רואה למשל את הבחור עם היד, לא, הוא תופס בזה שמעליו, כי הוא רוצה להגיע למעלה על חשבונו. יכולה לראות במונוליט הזה הכל, זה מאמן.
There's other ones here. And you can see up at the other end, another part of the park. And we'll come down and we'll look at some of the other sculptures here. And they are supposed to be very smooth. Oh yes, it's like super smooth here. Super smooth. Very smooth, very smooth. How they got this so smooth and sanded it down, I don't know. But yeah. Ah, looks like they're washing somebody's hair or something there. I don't know. Another one doing acrobatics over here. These guys here, I don't know what he's doing. He's doing something there with his lady friend. Getting some different things going on there. Yeah, come up here. Might be a little slippery. So these are just looking out over the distance here. And you got these guys doing nose to nose here. There you go. And yeah, looking out here. Bunch more down here. See, this guy's thinking here. I think he's got some muscles on him here and everything here. So yeah. This guy's got the beard here. And this one here looks like a little mishmash of everybody here. It's hard to tell. There's a kid there, two guys here, and another kid down here, another kid in there, another kid up at the top, and yeah, all right. And there's the one going down there. Okay. There's some more pictures here. And we got some more over here. I'll have to catch up to them. Kids here. Got this one here, which is two people looking down there with their legs crossed up in there. So they got a little bit of water down in there too. But I think my group is leaving, so I gotta head out here. All right. We got more things in the fence here, as you can see. More sculptures there. And there's my group down there. I have to catch up to them. So there's the waterfalls down there. Now we got some flowers along the way here. They're coming right in close here with the flowers. Here we go. We got some of these other guys here. All different colors coming in here. Coming down here. And coming here too. There's a little bee over there. He's right on the plant. He's going to fly around. A number of bees there. But yeah, a number of different bees. Oh, ladybug down there too. That's always good luck right there. So, alright. Alright, we're coming up there. Here we are. Those came from the back up there.
Yes.
And one man travel. Alright. We came from up there. Came down to the fountain. Now we're heading down there. But there it is. Got these statues here. Okay, I'm here in front of the waterfalls here. You can see it in back of me. I had to put the name of it down at the bottom, but I got somebody talking to me in my ear here while I'm doing this, so it's a little bit hard. But yeah, you can see part of the waterfall. We came from up there, and now we're heading back down this way here. Okay. You can see down at the bottom here, we got some other sculptures down here.